JL Audio's DSP product line is designed around a modular approach that separates the tasks of OEM integration and system tuning into different products in our lineup. This means that our OEM integration processors and system tuning processors can be mixed and matched or used on their own depending on your system's needs. For example, in a system that uses an aftermarket head unit, you don't need an OEM integration processor, but you can deploy our system tuning DSP. On the other hand, if you are working with a factory source to build a system, you can choose the right OEM interface processor for your application. Then you can decide whether to add a system tuning DSP or not. Our OEM interface processors are called FiX and are offered in two versions, the FiX 82 and FiX 86. The first digit in the model number indicates the number of input channels, while the second digit indicates the number of output channels. Following this logic, we know that the FiX 82 has 8 input channels and 2 output channels. It gives you the ability to accept up to 4-way factory audio signals, line level or speaker level. This makes it powerful enough to deal with the most complex factory audio configuration on the market. The magic of the FiX 82 is that it can time correct, level match, sum, and equalize these multiple factory signals down to a pair of left and right stereo signals that are flat in frequency response. Analog RCA type outputs and an optical digital toslink output deliver the output signals. Like the FiX 82, the FiX 86 also offers 8 input channels, but they are divided into front, rear, and subwoofer banks so that a factory system's fading functionality can be retained. Instead of just stereo outputs, the FiX 86 has 3 pairs of analog RCA type outputs: front left and right, rear left and right, and subwoofer left and right. The FiX 86 will sum 3-way front and 2-way rear signals into full-range front and rear signals that are time-aligned, level-matched, summed, and equalized into full-range front and rear outputs, plus a non-fading subwoofer output, giving you the same outputs as a typical aftermarket head unit. Both FiX processors are designed for automatic calibration, meaning that all you have to do to execute all the audio magic we just described is 1. Press a button on the FiX unit, and 2. Play a calibration track through the audio system at 3/4 volume. In less than 30 seconds, the FiX processors have done all the measurements and corrective calculations and stored them into non-volatile memory. No other OEM integration processors do what the FiX processors do, and even those that do a lot less aren't as easy to set up. You can also add wired level controllers to each of the FiX processors. The FiX 82 will accept the DRC 100 for master volume functionality, and the FiX 86 accepts the DRC 200, which offers master volume plus subwoofer level when connected. The DRCs are sold separately. We also plan to release PC software that will allow you to see what the FiX processors are doing, select different options and modes, and even make some additional tweaks.